Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove caps lock Bloq Mayus. To start, we are going to access settings from the Start menu. When doing so, you must go to the Accessibility section. Here, open the keyboard option. You must confirm that the toggle keys is disabled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.